In this video, you'll learn how to use the Performance Mapper. Click on the Performance Mapper icon in the left side of the screen. The first thing you'll do is select your search area. For this example, I'll do within bounding box. And as you can see, automatically all of the circles are answer plot locations. I can also come over here and turn on my Insight Trial layer. The Performance Mapper can include data from both the answer plots and the Insight Trials at the same time. The squares will be where we had Insight Trials and circles are where we had answer plots. So now to draw my bounding box, I'm going to click on the Draw Search Area box. I'll drop my dot one time and drag it, and then I'll close it with one last click. The box will need to be yellow before I can validate my search area with the check mark. Now I'm going to select the Insight Trial box as it automatically comes unchecked, and we want to make sure it's checked in order to view Insight Trials. And then I'll select a crop. And as you can see, the relative maturity is grayed out. You are not able to search based on relative maturity when you have Insight Trials checked. So instead, we'll search by product, and I will type in a product that I want to look at and click on it. So I just have one product selected. I have all three soil types selected, and I'm going to select 2 years of data, and then I'll hit run. Now as you can see, the map where I had my search area is now filled in with colored boxes and circles, and I just minimized my Performance Mapper screen so we can see a little better. So where the boxes and circles are green, it means that hybrid performed more than 5% above average. Where they're yellow, it performed within plus or minus 5% of the average, and where it's red, that hybrid performed 5% below average. We can click on any one of the plots to see exactly how that hybrid did compared to the average. So here you can see the plot location was Menominee, Wisconsin. The year was 2016, and 38.99 yielded 249 bushels, where the trial average was 233. So if we want to look a little deeper into the data, we can come over and click on the Performance Mapper icon again to bring it back, and I'll select View Graph. Now this is going to show me a breakdown of all the data. So in 2017 so far, we've harvested 13 answer plots, and 38.99 has yielded 258, where the average has been 247. And you can see last year's trial data as well. We have 26 answer plots and 31 Insight Trials, where the hybrid performed about 10 bushels over the average in both. Now we can print this data too by selecting the PDF icon, and a notification comes in our Downloads arrow. We select that, and we select the Performance Mapper PDF, and we can get a print off like this of the data that we just ran. With the Performance Mapper, you can look at up to 3 hybrids at a time. So for this example, I'm going to add in another hybrid. I just clicked on the hybrid selector, and now I'm going to type in another hybrid, and I'll just click on it. And now you can see the 2 hybrids I have selected. We have 38.99 as the primary hybrid, that's what that P means, and then we have this Pioneer number as the second number. And I'm going to come in and select 2 years of data again, and select Run. Now you can see the performance of these 2 hybrids compared to each other. Now we can add a third hybrid, and what I'll do is I'll come back to the selector. It looks like we only have 2016 data where all 3 of these hybrids are planted in the same plot. And now you can see there's letters on the screen, so I'm going to minimize this one more time. And we can see hybrid A is 38.99, B is the Pioneer, and C is 51.46. So wherever the letter is lit up on the map, that's the hybrid that won. So in this plot, 38.99 won, in this plot, 51.46 won, and over here, the Pioneer number won. So if we want to view that data in the graph, we select View Graph, and you can see they were only tested in answer plots, but they were in 26 answer plots, and this is the overall performance of those 3 hybrids. We can use the Performance Mapper to analyze hybrids on a deeper level and throughout the Insight Trials.